Hello friends. I hope you are well. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to turn off the Save on Capture option in Messenger. This option allows automatic saving of photos and videos taken through the camera in the Messenger application. When this option is enabled, photos and videos will be automatically saved in your device's gallery after you take them. If you don't want that, then this is the right video for you to learn how to turn it off. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon. In this section, scroll down, find the Photos and Media option, and tap on it. Once you've done that, now tap on the switch for the Save on Capture option to turn it off. Great! That's all there is to this tutorial. A very easy and straightforward process. If the video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.